With DDMRP, it's simple. You just need to take your forecast and project your operating model, your buffers, into the future and see the impact. Hey, DDMRP champions! Hey. Woo! Stop managing girls! Hey, DDMRP champions! I'm here in Washington, D.C., USA! And look just behind me. This is the White House. Since 1800, all the American presidents are living in this White House, and they are taking their vision into rows, and to make it happen. How you, as supply chain manager, create your vision in the strategic range and make it happen in the operational side? With DDMRP, it's simple. You just need to take your forecast and project your operating model, your buffers, into the future and see the impacts on the cash, on the level of inventory, on the storage that is needed, on the capacity side. So yes, you will have a lot of inputs, and the charts will help you taking the right decisions for the strategic range. Think about that and stop managing chaos! Woo!